In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the VLC error log, understand what it means, and apply the most common fixes to resolve playback problems step by step. If VLC is crashing, not playing certain files, showing codec errors, or behaving unpredictably, the error log is the first place you should check. This guide is beginner-friendly and works for Windows users running the latest versions of VLC. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's enable VLC's built-in error logging so you can actually see what's going wrong. Open VLC Media Player on your computer. At the top menu, click on Tools, then choose Preferences, or you can press Ctrl and P on your keyboard. In the bottom left corner of the Preferences window, you'll see two options for Settings view. Select All to show Advanced Settings. Now, in the left sidebar, scroll down and expand the Advanced section, then click on Logger. On the right side, check the box that says Log to File. This allows VLC to save detailed error messages instead of just showing brief pop-ups. Next, choose a location where you want the log file saved. You can name it something simple like vlc-log.txt and save it somewhere easy to access, such as your desktop. Once that's done, click Save and restart VLC to make sure logging is fully enabled. Now, try playing the video file that's causing problems. Let it run for a few seconds, even if it fails. After that, open the log file you created. Inside, you'll see error messages, warnings, and codec information that can help identify the issue. Now let's go over the most common fixes based on what you might see in the VLC error log. The first and simplest fix is updating VLC. Old versions can cause codec conflicts and playback errors. In VLC, click Help, then check for updates and install the latest version if one is available. Next, try resetting VLC preferences. This fixes many issues caused by misconfigured settings. Go to Tools, Preferences, and at the bottom, click Reset Preferences, then restart VLC. Another very common cause of errors is hardware acceleration. To adjust this, open Tools, Preferences, and switch to All Settings. Go to Input and Codecs, then look for Hardware Accelerated Decoding. Try setting it to Automatic first. If errors persist, set it to Disable, save, and restart VLC. You can also experiment with different video output modules under the Video section, such as switching between OpenGL or Direct3D. Now let's talk about file-specific issues, which are extremely common. If the error log mentions file path or access issues, check the file name and location. Try shortening long file names, avoid special characters, and move the file to a simple folder like Videos or Desktop. If permissions have a problem, right-click the file, select Properties, go to the Security tab, and make sure your user account has full access. In some cases, adding administrators with full control can resolve the issue. If the error log suggests the file is corrupted or incomplete, VLC has a built-in repair option. Go to Tools, Preferences, then Input and Codecs. Find the option labeled Damaged or Incomplete AVI file and set it to Always Fix. Save the changes and reopen the file. For severely damaged files, you may need a dedicated video repair tool, but this built-in fix works surprisingly well for many AVI files. Once you've tested and resolved the issue, you can keep logging enabled for future troubleshooting or turn it off by unchecking Log to File in the logger settings. That's how you access the VLC error log, understand common error messages, and apply the most effective fixes step by step. If this video helped you fix your VLC issues, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.